Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for January 21st to February 4th. For this period, we're expecting a ridge here over western North America. We have a trough here across much of eastern North America, and we have another ridge near Greenland. Now, we will have at the surface, we will have this Arctic high that will push a cold front through and move off the coast, and then you have the southern end here of the front remaining across the Gulf, and this will lead to much below normal temperatures across the south and the east. Now, moisture will interact with this boundary, and excuse me, and will result in heavy snow and ice threat for the southeast into the mid-Atlantic into Friday. So here we are Friday 1 a.m., then we go to Friday 7 a.m. and so forth. We have snow and ice here, rain across this area. And then also there remains a threat of a coastal storm that could cause more implications over the weekend. So we're going to look here at the GFS. Here's the GFS, 7 o'clock Friday. Here's our coastal low, and kind of remains further offshore. Then we have this other system, a coastal low moving off the southeast on Sunday, bringing snow to the region. Looks like it'll be all snow. Here's the 540 line down here across Virginia and Delaware and off the southern New Jersey coast. And then that'll move out. That's the GFS. We'll look at the European. So it has a front to the south. Here's our first system on Friday. Might bring a little brush to areas here. And then it moves out. Then we go to Saturday, Sunday. Where's that coastal low? The European doesn't have it. That's interesting. And we look at the ensembles. Here's the first system. Goes out. Then we have Sunday. European ensembles don't have it, but then here comes another system later on in the week, middle of next week, and that kind of remains offshore. And so there's a couple chances for snow across the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast, and we'll have to see how this reacts. I want to show the ensembles, but I couldn't get them at the time. And we have upper level energy that'll build. We'll have a ridge that'll build off the west coast as energy digs into Intermountain West. And this is what causes implications with the models, because the models don't know what to do with upper low down in the southwest. And that could bring rain and mountain snows to portions of the west. Okay, looking at the period for January 26th to the 30th. We don't see much change in the overall flow. We still have our ridge here, trough extending from this upper low near Hudson Bay. Models are good agreement with this. We go to the various models. So for this forecast period, calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 12 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for much of this area here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 8 degrees or more below normal here. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. We're going to look now for the period of January 31st to February 4th. We have a western ridge, eastern trough. Here's our ridge now, heading north of Alaska, and we have our ridge here near Greenland, trough in the west. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this region, calling for anomalies of near 8 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now, going ahead, just want to mention, going ahead, there might be a pattern change going into February. And it looks like it warms up from the southern plains to the east coast. The cold air will still remain here because I was looking at the indices. The PNA weakens, and it keeps the cold air mainly across the north. And there could still be some cold periods, but I think the warmer periods will wind out. And but there's a couple, like getting back to the current part, there are chances for snow. But I think the pattern's going to change going into February. Okay, that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 21st to February 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.